My name is Danao. I'm an assistant professor in agricultural and biological engineering. I came here a few years ago, and my background is in food and bioprocess engineering with a little bit of sensing in there thrown in. I think what's really exciting about this opportunity is that's what it is. It's the opportunity to work in a very important area, not just that's relevant to Illinois, but really has real relevance, I guess, in globally. So it's an opportunity to help small farmers increase their income, also increase food availability. The neatest thing about it, I think, is the issue of post-harvest losses is not something new to Illinois. People have been working on this area for a long time. We have a lot of expertise in, let's say, even the crop sciences and economics and in engineering that they dealt with problems in this area. What's exciting about the Institute is for the first time, these researchers can come into one place and kind of share their ideas, share their approaches, what they've learned in the past, neat ideas for how we should solve this in the 21st century. Our project will be successful if we actually have the sensors in place and all of a sudden we have real numbers in documenting the amount of losses at 3 stages. We know exactly what's going on in the field before they harvest. We know exactly what's going on while they're harvesting. When they're transporting it from the field to eventually, let's say, a storage facility or down to the ports, we know what's going on. And at the same time, if they do have to store it in a large facility like a granulero, we know exactly what's going on for the next 6 months. So we can kind of see at what stages most of the losses are occurring, and then we can figure out, okay, so this is where the right place to invest a solution or come up with a solution. Personally, I'm facing is we've decided to choose to work in Brazil, so I don't know a whole lot of Portuguese. But the exciting thing about that is our department, my colleagues have strong relationships with faculty members at 2 universities in Brazil, so we're definitely teaming up with them. The hardest part is we're talking about a long-term project. One of my colleagues, Marvin Paulson, is going down there on Saturday to do measurements. So particularly the soybeans will be in the market for the next 2 to 3 months, and we're trying to track losses during this time. So how do we do this when we're here in Illinois, but the research is active and it's happening down there? So I think that's one of the main challenges.